Introducing the 2017 BMW i3. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this model delivers an exhilarating ride without compromising ultimate luxury. All of the premium features expected of a BMW are offered, including delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated seats, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.